water ingress alarm test by electrician. First, remove the cargo. Check the sensor.
वाइप करो
Now,
वाइप
sensor.
ओके
Oh. Okay. Half one. This is 2 meter. Another one is half meter.
0.5
Yes.
pictures
So, how to test? By this wet rocks
wet with seawater.
with seawater. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Got to take photo first. Okay.
Just to send to office.
Okay. Now put the rigs. Now need the cost.
Electrician test now receive alarm from number 7, pre-alarm.
Pre-alarm.
Okay, copy third so. Sorry.
Next one, May alarm.
Okay, now it's alarm, main alarm from number 7.
Okay, copy.
May alarm. Huh? Very easy.
Yes.
Not like other vessel. Huh?